Welcome back. This session is all about the task-based approach to language teaching. And of course, in our case, we shall be addressing this from the point of view of the first additional language, English classroom. Just a brief reminder that this is specifically aimed at teachers of the intermediate phase and that the task-based approach is considered to be a component of CLT, or the communicative language teaching approach. But is it really? One of the reasons why I am so fond of this approach is that it has so many aspects in common with the old traditional approaches to language teaching, which we examined in Unit 1. And as you have probably worked out from my long grey beard, I am myself an old traditionalist with a taste for methods that work. Right. Let us now define this task-based approach. This quote can be found in Appendix E. Grammar and other dimensions of communicative competence can be developed as a byproduct of engaging learners in interactive tasks. Did you hear that first word? Grammar. I love grammar. Accurate grammar leads to clear meaning. But let us add to this by looking at the task principle found in the text of Unit 3. Activities must be chosen in which language is used to carry out meaningful tasks. Can you see where this is going? That's right. This is all about presenting lessons based on well-prepared tasks. And if you can think of a better teaching technique, then please let me know about it, because I can't. This is the method that has stood the test of time more than anything created by Charles Glass, well, almost, since it's based on the oldest and most logical principles of classroom management. A busy class is a happy class, and children in happy classes learn far more effectively. Now, I want to look at a few details and theoretical aspects of TBI, or the task-based approach. All of what follows here can be found in Appendix E, by the way, and once again, I encourage you to read and study all of these appendices, since they're full of practical ideas. But let us start with the two main types of tasks. The first is the pedagogical task. Did you hear that? I shall pronounce it again. Pedagogical. Most people struggle with that. But anyway, these are tasks that can be thought of as inauthentic, since they are specifically designed for the classroom. Authentic tasks, on the other hand, are called real-world tasks and are exactly what their name suggests. They are tasks designed to recreate situations which your scholars are likely to encounter in real situations outside the classroom. An obvious example of this would be a role-playing exercise set in a shop, during which one scholar takes the part of the customer and the other is the shop assistant. And the language and register learnt is practice for what will one day be required in real life. The good news is that there is an excellent list of types of these real-world tasks in Appendix E. The list is absolutely outstanding and ranks the tasks in order of difficulty in line with Bloom's taxonomy. Also included in Appendix E are the opinions of the TBI purists who claim that the traditional approaches to language teaching don't work and that the earth is flat. Well, okay, they don't really believe that the earth is flat, I hope. But that's just as ridiculous as saying that classroom technique, which has worked well for hundreds of years, now for some reason suddenly doesn't work. And this in spite of the fact that it has many elements in common with TBI. On the final page of Appendix E, TBI is described as useful as one component of a course and as a technique. And that sums it up rather well. If a method works for you in the classroom, then use it. It's all about improving your teaching.